Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the chat theme on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen, scroll down and click on the appearance button, which is the fourth option within this category or section. And here you have the chat themes feature. Click on it, and here you have a bunch of themes that you can choose from. You have preset options here. As you scroll down, you can also build your own theme. Here you have the classic, dark, day and night functions. You can also select the color, as you can see here how it looks like. And this preview section at the top, you can edit the current theme. As you click on it, you can select from these color palettes, so you can set your own color, select it and tap on set. Then at the top you can set the accent and the messages as well, the color of the messages. When you are done, click on cancel, and you can also create a new theme, so you can give a name to it as well. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.